Come to the bands of the shelter, 5K for canines. You can have fun, help save a dog's life. Come on down to the 5K for canines. Help us save some lives. It's loads of fun for your four-legged family. Raffles and prizes and even Bob Nunnally.
Hey guys.
Come to the bands of the shelter, 5K for canines. You can have fun, help save a dog's life. Come on down to the 5K for canines. Get in shape and help save a dog's life.
Bob Nunnally here. I'll be hosting this year's 5K for Canines on September 29th at Alum Creek State Park. Go to premierraces.com to register today. Run or walk with your four-legged friend, and I'll see you there. 9 a.m. with Coco the Wiener Dog.
Come to the bands of the shelter, 5K for canines. You can have fun, help save a dog's life. Come on down to the 5K for canines.